Alright, I'm just checking to see what the response is for my last. It's the same, along the same lines. Let's see, you gotta hit a button. Is this the button? Oh. Alright. No? Oops. Yeah, I think that I could play. No. Response for is like this is the last notice of intent to apply for supervisory writ that I filed. Did the court make a response on that last one?
Shanita hadn't said anything about it.
Oh, so I just, all right. Huh. Because I seem to have to do a weekly request. The judge gives me another week to perfect my application. So I'm anticipating him just to say I need to do another perfection and then be given another week. Every week. Well, that's what it's turned into with my intent to apply for a supervisory writ. And I'm trying to double check. I mean, I could write another notice, not knowing what the response for the last one was. I mean, just to anticipate, they probably gave me another week.
Let me see if she got something. Do Mr. Steve usually serve you that stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, well, he might have it with him.
Well, no, but does the court have a record? I mean, I guess I could walk over to the city marshal's office and ask if they got anything, but you guys don't, you guys give up your records to them?
Shanita have all those records in a different file folder.
Oh, okay. All right, well, I'll walk over. Also, yeah, I'll have a thumb drive with videos. Clarification is an old one. That was maybe two.
She don't have it.
Okay.
But like I said,
talk to the marshals. Okay, and then I'll have a thumb drive that I'll have pictures and documents with the PDFs and the videos for my trial. And you guys can put up pictures and PDFs and videos on that TV screen, right, for trials? Mm-hmm. Okay, I just kind of ask you to do it and hand you my thumb drive, and we go forward with that. Okay, and then also I have, well, there's a request for one of the witnesses is not showing up, so I'm requesting her testimony from the first trial. Ideally, I'd like the audio to be played. I mean, you guys hear the audio, and then you write down in the transcript what was said. That would be ideal. But I mean, I guess I could just, you know, as long as I have the transcript, I can just read it in court if the judge allows it. But do you guys, can you pull up the transcript to read, or how do you?
Were you talking about transcripts that she previously?
Yeah, it was a court. I had a trial, and now that was trial number 1. Now I'm entering trial number 2, and there's a transcript. Is for the dispatch. The dispatch gave testimony. She said on the witness stand, and I asked questions, and the prosecutor asked questions. Oh, that's Steve. Okay, and I want to ideally like read that old testimony to introduce into trial number 2.
So are you wanting?
Wow, he's ready to hand it to me. It looks like.
Are you wanting to request that transcript?
Is that for me?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Both of them are.
Were you told? Told I was here? Oh, okay. We got witness list. Yep.
I saw you. I was crossing the bridge.
So to finish later than 27th now. Yeah, we'll keep pushing it back weekly. All right. Just gotta write another one then. So I guess we'll be doing it again. He keeps you busy, I guess.
Ain't no problem.
So, yeah, I want to introduce it, but I have to have that hearing first to see if the judge will allow it. So, yeah, I just come in with a thumb drive. And is there any other way that you play stuff? You do CDs? You play CDs too, or?
I mean, I'm sure they can.
You sure? Oh, you're not. Oh, okay. Better to
I've
do.
never seen nobody do it. They
Here-
only do it off of thumb drives, but I'm sure they.
Thumb drives are more common? Okay. All right. Yeah, I'll just work with that. Okay. All right. Speak with the clerk handling appellate cases. All right, so I asked for the clerk that handles appellate cases. I gave them my name, and now I have a message here to give them. I'm not sure if this is going to be even heard. I need to bring it closer, huh? That beeping can even be heard. This is a long wait. Yeah, I made a script just so that this will be easier. Just put it into the ChatGPT and just read it. I can't remember everything. It takes the stress away because I'm feeling a little stressed out. I can explain it to the clerk very clearly. May I please speak with the clerk handling appellate cases? That was pretty easy to ask. I just need a script for that. You want to have a script just to keep things professional. A nice script so things move smoother. Script for everything when it comes to court, because there's no creativity points. You don't earn creativity points with the court system. You can.
She's out for the holiday, sir.
Oh, okay. You know,
All right.
you know, yeah. When did the holidays end?
Our office is closed the 24th and 25th of December and the 31st of December and the 1st of January.
Okay, so 26 I can call.
If you would like to.
Okay. All right then. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yep.
You're welcome.
Hello, my name is Travis Hines. May I please speak with the docket master or someone who can provide information about the docket master's role and privilege?
Oh, one moment. There is no one available to take your call at the moment, so please leave a message after the tone. When finished recording, press pound.
Hello, am I speaking with the docket master for Natchitoches? Thank you for taking my call. I have a few questions regarding the use of the docket and the privileges associated with it, and I was hoping you could provide some clarity. Based on my research, it appears that the daily docket in Natchitoches Parish is not intended for private use. Specifically, under the Louisiana Public Records Law, Revised Statute 44:1, court records are generally open to the public, and the Louisiana Code of Civil Procedure, Article 254, mentions that the court clerk is the custodian of these records. Additionally, court traditions in Louisiana favor openness, allowing citizens to access and observe court proceedings. Given this understanding, I have a few questions. Could you please explain what, if any, privileges the docket master has concerning the use of the docket for private purposes? Is there any Louisiana statute or legal provision that permits the docket master to use the docket for private use? If so, could you provide details or references to these statutes? How does the docket master ensure compliance with the Louisiana Public Records Law and maintain the public accessibility of the docket while performing their duties? Are there specific circumstances or types of cases where access to the docket might be restricted, or where docket master might have limited access, such as cases involving juveniles or sensitive information? Does the Natchitoches Parish Court have any...
Thank you for leaving a message. Mailbox has now stopped recording.
But I'm calling to ask who the is there a docket master who I may talk to?
I'm not familiar with any sort of docket master. Would you mind giving me a little bit more information to see if there's someone in our office that I could connect you with?
Okay, a docket master is there's an issue at the Natchitoches courthouse over privacy with the docket master. The district attorney handles the dockets and does not release any of that information about the daily dockets to the public, and that's a concern, because I've been doing research, and it appears that the daily docket in the parish is not intended for private use, specifically under the Louisiana Public Records Law 44:1. Court records are generally open to the public. Is there does the Attorney General overlook the district court in Natchitoches?
No, sir.
Oh, okay, those two.
Report on the DA.
That's expired or state bar. Okay, all right, sorry. Have a good day.
No, it's okay. Would you like the number for either one? I have them both right here.
Well, no, I can find that.
Okay.
So, oh, also, I have to notify the Attorney General about when I file my writ to the Third Circuit Court of Appeals. That's a part of my notification. And is there, what's the easiest way to make a notification to the Attorney General when I file a writ?
I'm not entirely sure. Let me ask. Give me 1 moment.
Okay. Okay, so mailing is the only option?
She said that is the only option, yes.
Okay, and if I wanted to hand deliver it, I could just bring it to the office or whatever as well, but
Yeah, if you wanted to bring it to the office,
hand,
we'll be here.
those are the only two choices, are hand deliver or mail, pretty much.
Yeah.
Okay, and do they, well, okay. All right then, thank you. All right, have a good day. Oh yes, may I help you?
You the guy that was sitting there the other day told me someone was staying here in their car.
Yeah, there was I don't know, some guy who was hanging out. I don't know. I never
You can't stay and live here.
live. You can't live here.
No, sir, you can't sit here and live here like that.
Live here like that. Okay, I'll move. I
You
guess.
can't stay here.
Okay.
People got businesses all along here.
Oh yeah.
You can't just loiter around here.
You don't want people hanging out here?
No, sir. I'm gonna go to the police department, show them your license plate.
Okay.